Hey YouTube, working on the next project here. Trying to work on some food projects. What do we got here? Cajun, original, hot teriyaki, hickory. Alright, what is it? It's venison. Some deer off the back pasture, and we're making some jerky. We hope this is my first test of food dryer. Making a food dryer out of a refrigerator. We've got plumbed in a 12-inch flex duct and a plenum. We've got a filter in here that's at an angle, and it's a 16 by 20 filter to keep any trash from the shop from getting in on the food. And a little, it's a 1/30th of a horsepower fan. Anyways, radiator. The heat source is my wood stove from outside, and the water temperature should be, this is the exit water temperature is at 165 degrees. Yeah, it should be about 165. That's going back out. I got 185 degree water coming in, and hoping that this timing, we're gonna be, this is the first test, so I'm not exactly sure. Shooting for 4 to 6 hours in here. Smells good. We'll see. We'll see how we do. Alright, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 trays of jerky just put in here. I think you can see it. Oh man, this is making me hungry. Alright, hopefully this will work out. Plenty hot. It seems to be hot enough. Plenty of air. There's a lot of air movement, and I'm just there's a ton of hot air coming out here. I'm just leaving the door ajar and trying to get a feel for this. So, all right, this is the latest project on the farm, is to make a food dryer using the hot water from the boiler and running it, plumbing it into a refrigerator. And if this works, next is a clothes dryer off of this. We're going to try clothes dryer, but I'm looking forward to seeing how this is going to work. I'm going to check it and rotate these trays probably in a couple hours. I believe that is all I need to share on this. But alright, see the blue line is actually the hot line coming in, and I got the green going out the top, and that goes back to the boiler, which is, you can see on the other side of my woodshed, and I have that line coming in underground into the shop. Alright, it's just a little bit of smoke, so it must be right around 185 degrees right now. And that's it. Okay, signing off. Okay folks, here's the finished product. Venison jerky in the food dehydrator, the homemade food dryer. And took everything out right at 4 hours, rotated the trays a couple of times. See, this one tray is a little bit more dry than the rest, and so got some more experimenting to do, but so far so good. Looks tasty, and it is. I had some of the teriyaki, is very good. And anyway, I think I got the last measurement of temperature I got was about 145 degrees in the center, and so I believe 140 to 150 is sufficient to make jerky. Okay, so far so good, and we'll keep updating, and so we're able to get the heat out of this no problem. So alright YouTube, on to the next project. And here folks is the finished product, all labeled and in their Ziploc bags, and there's 7 trays worth of venison jerky from the Excalibur trays in the homemade wood dryer. I think I have enough room to add 6 or 7 more trays, so we should be able to do 14 batches at a time, and that'll be a pretty good quantity. And this was done again right at 4 hours, and so time to put it in the fridge, and we will see how long it lasts.